Have you ever opened a PDF and noticed that some pages are upside down or sideways? It happens a lot, especially with scanned documents or files shared by someone else. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to easily rotate pages in a PDF using Systweak PDF editor in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. As you can see, this PDF has two scanned pages and they're not facing the right direction. Let's rotate them properly. First, go to the top menu bar and click on Page. Now select the pages you want to rotate. You can choose just one page or select multiple pages at once. After selecting, you will see options to rotate left or right. If you click once, the page rotates 90 degrees. Click twice, it rotates 180 degrees. Click 3 times, it becomes 270 degrees, and so on. Also, you can right-click on the page to rotate the page in the desired direction. Once the pages are facing the correct direction, go to the top and click on Save. Here's how the original PDF looked. And now here's the PDF after rotating the pages. So that's how easy it is to rotate pages in a PDF file using Systweak PDF editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there is any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.